Hello and welcome to Cavendish Communications. This is a training video to show how to set system speed dials on a Panasonic KX-DA or KX-TE telephone system. These are the centrally stored numbers that once programmed in can be accessed by all extensions. Please remember that this feature can only be set from a system administrator's extension using a Panasonic display key set. First, press the program key. Then press the star button followed by the hash button plus your system administrator password, which is usually 1234. If the default password has been changed for any reason, please contact customer support on 01273 615 600. Then dial 001. Press the speakerphone button. Enter the location number you wish to store the speed dial number against. This is a number between 00 and 99. We will use 26 for this demonstration. Now enter the digit 9, followed by the telephone number you wish to store. For this demonstration, we will store the telephone number 01273 615 600. Now press Auto Dial Store to save the number to the system. You can press the speakerphone button to move on to the next entry, or just lift and replace the receiver to exit programming mode. To use the number you have stored, lift the handset or press the speakerphone button and then press Auto Dial button plus the appropriate location number. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please contact your account manager or customer support on 01273 615 600. There are more training videos on our website www.cavcoms.com. Thank you and goodbye.